Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we are going to have a look at this electric shaver. It says 6 in 1, so let's see what that is about. And it is pretty handy size-wise, and I would say we crack this box open and check out how it actually looks in real life. So let's get a knife out and cut this open, and then we're gonna see what's actually in here and if it can hold up to what it says. So. Mm, okay, it's coming in another box. And oh, come on. Is there another glued? No. Okay, so open this box and we get another box. Yeah, woo. Okay, well, anyway, so down here is our machine. That's wrapped. Let's unwrap that really quick. And as you see, it's a really handy one. It's not big at all. Um, and it has a lot of movement, so you can actually go through over your skin, your body, without having to worry that you're gonna cut yourself or something. So that's pretty neat. Um, and otherwise, let's see, there's like mode 1, whatever that is supposed to mean, and 90. Okay, I don't know why it's doing that, to be honest. But whatever, it's fine for me. So down here is where we're gonna charge it, power button, and oh, it's 90% loaded. That's what it is. Okay, got it. Let's try that on my arm here. Go over there. Feels decent. And as you see, it took quite some hair, even though I just ran there randomly and really fast over. So, not bad at all. And now I would say we should see what we actually have for headpieces, because, I mean, obviously it said it's 9 in 1 or something like that. And you can put all these on there and use them as well. So that's kind of neat, I guess. A lot of goodies. I'm not sure what most of them are for. I mean, there's a nose trimmer, I see that. And then you have to remove this headpiece here, which is somewhat complicated. I don't know, I'm not getting it. Maybe I'm just weird. I think it has something to do with this middle part here, because that's twistable. Maybe you need to like unlock it or something. Gosh, come on. Hmm. I'm not sure. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it at this point, otherwise it's just gonna get too long and unnecessarily. So take care, you guys. Definitely decent shaver. You have to just look at the manual how to remove the headpiece, and then you get the full experience. So take care.